Do you know the comet named Neowise, which was appeared in the year 2020 and on March 27 will appear again in the year 8786, which is nearly about 6800 years? Do you know every year 110,000 million tons of carbon dioxide produced and enter our atmosphere as a result of burning fossil fuels? Hello friends, I am Anmol Upadhyay and in this video I will tell you some amazing science facts that you will say thunderstruck. So do not skip this video and stay till the end. So fact number 1. Olympus Mons is a type of mountain which is situated on the Mars, is the largest mountain in the solar system. It is 16 miles high and 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Fact number 2. Do you know the planet Earth, which is the third planet of our solar system, spins at 1000 mph, means miles per hour, and is traveling in the space at 67,000 miles per hour around the sun? Fact number 3. Will you believe if I say that when you take 1 kilogram of web of a common spider or any spider, so it is so ductile it can wrap the earth twice? Fact number 4. Exploding head syndrome. Many people have a scary condition called exploding head syndrome. Just they are dropping off to the sleep, they hear loud noises of big explosion and fireworks and lightning strikes, and you can say the sound made by gun when fired. So it is scary, isn't it? Fact number 5. Foods that you eat you back. Yes, it is true to say that pineapple is a fruit. When you eat it, it will eat you back because it contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is a protein digesting enzyme. So when you eat it, the bromelain acts and digests the protein. So by this means, when you eat the pineapple, it will eat you back. Fact number 6. Mysterious forces beyond the universe. So many astronomers have found that there is a force which is pulling our galaxies or many galaxies to the single point. So it should be a black hole, or which has unimaginable gravitational force, and this force is named by the scientists as the dark flow, because this is the force which is coming beyond the universe that we imagine. Fact number 7. A teaspoonful of a neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons. Yes, it is true, because a neutron star is a remnant of a massive star that has run out of the fuel. So the dying star explodes in the supernova and its center explodes on itself due to gravity, forming a super dense neutron star. Fact number 8. Hawaii moves 7.5 cm closer to Alaska, the speed at which our fingernails grow. Yes, the Earth's crust is made up of gigantic pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, propelled by the Earth's upper mantle. So the hot or less dense rock rises before cooling and sinking, giving rise to a convection current, which acts like a giant conveyor belts that slowly drifts the tectonic plates above them. Hawaii sits in the Pacific plate, which is slowly drifting towards Alaska every year. Fact number 9. Time variates in a black hole. Yes, you will be surprised to know that the time variates when you enter a black hole or when you get closer to the black holes. So what are the black holes? So black holes are the burst of the core of a massive star due to its own gravity, and the black hole is the region where gravity is unimaginably so strong that even electromagnetic radiations like light or any type of wave can't escape. So because of this reason you can't see a black hole, because the light won't return when it enters into a black hole. So the general theory of relativity explains which was given by famous scientist Albert Einstein with the famous equation E is equals to mc square. General theory of relativity predicts that sufficiently compact mass can deform space-time to form black holes. So by the theory of relativity, that gave many controversial explanation of the time travel, and persons can time travel and go to the future generations, was not intention to relate with the black holes, but many scientists relate this theory with black holes, because according to the equation E is equals to mc square, which stands for E is equals energy is equals to mass into speed of light in vacuum. So by this theory, many scientists like Schwarzschild related with the black holes that when you enters into it, the time varies, which means when you stand very closer to the black hole, the time generally varies and gets slowed down. There are many types of black holes. For example, stellar black hole and intermediate black hole, miniature black hole, and a supermassive black hole. So these type of black holes are categorized on the basis of their mass and weight. So to understand a black hole, you must understand the structure of a black hole. A black hole consists of singularity which is present at the center of the black hole, and an area called event horizon is also present and bounds the gravitational area of a black hole. When an object enters into it, so it is the area where it can't let the object to escape from it. So another part of the black hole is the accretion disk, which is created at the surrounding of the black hole due to its ultra high velocity at which it is spinning. And there is also another part and very interesting part, that there is a relativistic jet which is coming from the black hole in the vertical direction. The earth is very far from the black hole, approximately 67,000 light years away. When you get closer to the black hole, you will be spaghettified, which means that you will become like a noodle. So this is the fact, this is the real fact, because large gravitational force which is exerted by the black hole. Fact number 10, polar bears are nearly undetectable by infrared cameras. So thermal cameras detect the heat loss by a subject as infrared, but the polar bears are expert in conserving the heat. So as they live in the Arctic region where the human life is nearly impossible, so they have thick blubber under their skin. So due to this ability, they can endure the chilling cold at the Arctic. Fact number 11, the world's strongest acid. So the world's strongest acid that has been discovered is the carborane acid. So it has capacity and potent million times greater than concentrated sulfuric acid. As you know, sulfuric acid is known as king of all chemicals, but it is not based on its acidity, but it is based on its uses. So the carborane acid is the strongest acid which was developed in California, but there is a confusion and contradiction that it is least corrosive. So if you talk about most dangerous inorganic acid, the hydrofluoric acid is one of the very dangerous inorganic acid. So the carborane acid, as it is very least corrosive, so you can take it easily on your palm. Fact number 12, how to survive in the space. So astronauts have to endure pretty wild conditions to survive in the space. Over a year, astronaut named Scott Kelly drank 730 liters of his own sweat and urine to keep hydrated. So, are you still in the mood to get into the space? Fact number 13. So, about 110,000 million tons of carbon dioxide enters the atmosphere each year as a result of burning fossil fuels. So, when you see the composition of the air, 78% of the air is composed of nitrogen, 20.9% is composed of oxygen, and remaining 0.003% consists of carbon dioxide. So as a result of burning fossil fuels each year, the huge production of carbon dioxide will lead to threat to the human life. So when you look at the atmosphere of the Mars, So it contains 95% of carbon dioxide. So after 2.3 billion years ago, it is estimated that it will be almost impossible for the life to exist on the earth because of these activities that we are doing in our present day. So to minimize and save our mother earth, let us place that we must not pollute the environment. Fact number 14. Do you know the comet named Neowise, which was appeared in the year 2020 and on March 27th will appear again in the year 8786, which is nearly about 6800 years.